And the race is on. Mamaya, fast to begin, rushing up Scala Okan's Pride, running by Daryl outside, then comes My Happiness. Stop talking on the outside, Snow Deep, and going along for the first turn. Mamaya leads by some 3, followed by out of sight by Daryl. Running in the middle is My Happiness, and on the outside is Scala Okan's Pride, Snow Deep second last while. Stop talking is the early trailer, working towards the back. Mamaya leads by some 2, followed now by Caloocan's Pride, and running in third by another 2 lengths, My Happiness by the release out of sight. Then here comes Snow Deep and Stop Talking, still running at the tail of the field. Inside the last 600, Mamaya, Caloocan's Pride moving up now to grab the lead. It's now Caloocan's Pride. Mamaya dragged back in second, and rushing up now is My Happiness. Snow Deep out of sight second last, and Stop Talking still running at the tail of the field. As they race the final corner, Caloocan's Pride by some 3 lengths. Snow Deep is now running in second. My Happiness entering the last 100. It's still Caloocan's Pride by some 3 lengths. Snow Deep in second, and finally Caloocan's Pride, Snow Deep, My Happiness, Mamaya, Stop Talking, and out of sight comes last.